Make I tell you one of the plans where our government don't implement since January, and that's now to join the association known as BRICS. BRICS. I know they talk about the brick where they take build house, not be that kind of block. No. This one an economic block or economic association where the members now Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Now waiting for BRICS be that. Waiting be BRICS. Now BRICS now it just be like ECOWAS, basically. Now like ECOWAS or EU. But the only problem be say BRICS they against the West. Not like fighting the West, but they try step away from the West. They won't try step away from the dollar. Now one of their key agenda be that. The main objective now to form economic cooperation, just like ECOWAS form economic cooperation, but they won't try come out to they use the dollar because everybody they suffer from this dollar. Not only Naija they suffer from the power of the dollar because everybody in the world they trade with dollar. Although Naija not necessarily join BRICS, it just partner with the BRICS. And why Naija no join BRICS? Now, which I be first the reason, but something can't tell me. One mind tell me say the reason why they don't want join, why they don't fit join BRICS now because our Western masters, our Western ogas no go happy if we join BRICS.